How to apply for a refund on Shein application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to know the refund policy, there are two ways by which you can achieve it. If you simply cancel your order, you should get the refund policy by options such as Shein wallet or payment method. However, if this is not the case, you might have to contact the customer support. The first process is go to all orders, go to returns, find your order and cancel it, and by doing so, you must be able to apply for the refund as well. However, if this is not the case, you will have to open customer support. Once you open the customer support, you will land to a page like this whereby you have to choose your option, which is return and refund. Once you do it, you can check for the return policy and refund policy as well. Once you have found it, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option called as Contact Customer Support. Tapping on it should take you to another page from where you can have live chat or message to the Shein customer support. This way, they should be able to help. Now you can mention your problem, get the solution and follow it wisely as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.